Okay, we're not graphing the coordinates, we're graphing the solutions to the inequality, so we can get past that right now. Okay, it's the same thing you guys did yesterday. So y is greater than or equal to 4x plus 5. Greater than or equal to. So I write that same thing down here because I'm going to need two of them. Okay, and now remember, I need two xy points. Okay, 2 points, put x, y. This is the x line, this is the y line. So pick one. I only put 2 points this time. It doesn't matter. Okay, it doesn't matter what point you pick. I'm going to pick this one here. Okay, so I'm going to go 1, 2, and then circle that point. Okay, circle it. Just circle it. Okay, so look straight down, and that's what you're going to put in for x here. This is the x line. Straight down is 3. Now on the y line, I look straight over. That's 6. 3, 6. Okay, now I got to fill out this one. Now I go back to this point here, okay, and go back the other way. And then circle that. So look straight down. That's -1. Look straight across, it's just right on 6. Okay. Okay, so now we're ready to do this. Okay. So we take we put 3 in for x, and then we put 6 in for y. So I line up the symbol. So you have 6 here, and over here we need to take 4 times 3. That's 12. It's positive 12. If you just get 12, it would be positive. Then I'd take 12 plus 2, and that's 14. Okay. Now these are both positives. Now you take your number line. So I'm looking what's closer to here. So here's positive 6, and here's positive 14. Well, positive 6 closer to the edge. Okay. Positive 6, positive 14, positive 6 closer. So you circle that. The nose is not pointing towards that number, so that is a no. That means it's not true. So you put no there. And the other one, I'm going to put -1 in for x. And I'm going to put 6 in for y. Okay, so we have 6 on this side. Now I need to take 4 times -1. Use a calculator if you have to. It's -4. Positive times a negative is a negative, and then 4 times 1 is 4. Okay, then I take -4 plus 2, and that's -2. So we have -2, and this would be positive 6. Okay, so find the two numbers. Here's -2, here's positive 6. -2 is closer here than positive 6 is. This time the tip of the nose does point towards that number, so that is a yes. Okay, so we color on the yes side. Don't cross the line. That's here. Okay, next one. Write it down a second time. Put in your xy coordinates. Okay, so I find out this line here. It's got a couple points on it. I'm going to go with this one. Okay, I go 2 forward to the right, and this time you have to look straight up this time, and that's 3. Now you look straight across, it's -4. Okay, now go back to this point, back to it, and go 2 back. So look up, you're at -1. Look straight across, you're at -4. Okay, so 3 becomes x. And then y changes into -4. So now we have -4 as the value on that side. I need to do some operations. 2 times 3 is 6. It's positive. Then 6 minus 6 is 0. Okay, so 0 is here and -4 is here. Negative 4 is closer to the edge here, so negative 4 is the smaller number, and the tip of the nose should be towards the smaller number, and it is. Okay, so that's a yes. So I go under the point over here and put yes. Then how about this point? Well, negative 1 goes in for x, and then negative 4 goes in for y. So 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Then negative 2 minus 6 is negative 8. So I have negative 4 and negative 8 now. Well, this time negative 8 is closer to the edge than negative 4 is. So negative 8. But the tip of the nose doesn't go towards that, so that's no. Okay? So that means every point over here is yes, point over here is no, and you color the yes side. Okay, just that region. Okay, next problem. Write the inequality down. Okay, I'm going to go with this point. Okay, so first off, I got to fill out my coordinates. Remember, ladies, this is x, this is y. Okay. Okay, so this is the point I'm going to use. So I go forward, circle it, and that's 3 on x and 3 on y. Then I go back to this point and I go the other direction. Circle it, you're at negative 1 on x, and you're still at 3 on y. Okay, so x is 3, and then y is 3. So we have 3. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. Negative 6 plus 5 is negative 1. Okay, so 3 and negative 1. So here's by the positive 3. So we have negative 1 here, positive 3 is here, negative 1's here. Negative 1 is closer to the edge, okay? This edge here, not always at this edge. But the tip of the nose does not point towards that number, so that is no. Okay? So, you write no. Hopefully this will be yes, this one here. Negative 1, 3. So, x, replace that with negative 1. Y, replace that with 3. Okay, so negative 2 times negative 1 is 2. And it's positive 2. And then positive 2 plus 5 is 7. So we got positive 3, positive 7 now. So here are my remember 0 is in the middle between the negatives and the positives. So the positive, if you want to circle the 0, you can. Okay? So positive 3, positive 7. Positive 3 is closer to the edge than positive 7. The nose points toward, that's why I circle 3. The nose points towards it, so that is a yes. Okay, so the yes is over here now. Okay, y is greater than or equal to negative 5x plus 3. So this is x, this is y. So I'll pick this point, okay, 1, 2. So in that point we're 2 on x, because you look down, just look straight across, that's 3 on y. Okay, now back the other way. Look straight down, you're at negative 2 on x. Straight across, you're at 3 on y. Okay, so then 2 replaces the x, and then 3 replaces the y. So you have 3, and then negative 5 times 2 is negative 10. And then negative 10 plus 3 is negative 7. So we have negative 7, positive 3. Okay, so here's negative 7, here's positive 3. Negative 7 is closer to the edge. And the tip of the nose is pointing towards that, so that is a yes. So this point here, 2, 3, 2, 3, that's yes. Negative 2, 3. Okay, so negative 2 replaces the x, and then 3 replaces the y. So negative 5 times negative 2 is 10, positive. And 10 plus 3 is 13. So these are both positives. So positive 3, positive 13, okay? Positive 3, positive 13. Positive 3 is closer to the edge, okay? This time the tip doesn't point to that, that's a no. So the yes side is the one we highlight.